In this video, we will be solving one question from the chapter, that is dissolution of fund, the last question of the chapter, that is question number 20. It is a comprehensive question wherein we have to prepare all the accounts which are prepared under dissolution of partnership fund, that is realization account and bank account and partners capital account. Although partners loan account is not given because no partner has not any provided loan, so loan account is not only prepared but the rest of the accounts are prepared. There are three accounts which are required. So first of all, starting with realization account we will be preparing, then partners capital account, and lastly the bank account will be prepared. Let us first of all prepare the realization account. Now, as we know, in the realization account, first of all, on the debit side, all the assets except cash, bank and fictitious assets are transferred. All the assets except cash, bank and fictitious assets are transferred to the debit side of realization account. So, starting with bank account, it will not be transferred. Again, sundry debtors, stock, motor car, machine, investment, fixture, all this will be transferred to the realization account. First of all, sundry debtors. Sundry debtors. Again, stock, then motor car, machinery, then investment and fixture. Investment and fixtures. Amount is 55,000. Then 75,000, 90,000, and machine 45,000. Then investment 70,000 and fixture 9,000. These are the assets which have been transferred. And on the liability side, all the liabilities except the internal liabilities, that is all the outside liabilities are transferred, that is sundry creditor, bills payable, loan will be transferred. Sundry creditors. Then bank loan, bills payable and bank loan. Bills payable and bank loan. Amount 62,000. Then bills payable 32,000 and bank loan 50,000. The reserve fund is directly transferred to the partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio. Now the adjustment whatever is given on the above date, the firm is dissolved and the following agreement is made. Tanu agrees to pay the bank loan and took away sundry debtors. Whenever partners takes a liability, bank loan is a liability. If a partner takes a liability, then what happens is he will be given credit for the liability which he has undertaken. For this, realization account is debited, and partner's loan is credited. So entry will be realization account debit. Realization account is debited and partner's capital account will be credited. Tanu's capital account will be credited. Now see the journal entry here. Tanu agrees to pay the bank loan. So amount of the bank loan will be paid by Tanu. That is, bank loan is 50,000. So 50,000 will be realization account debit to Tanu's capital account. Tanu will be given credit for the amount of the liability which he has undertaken. That is, realization account debit to partner's capital account. So realization account is being debited. So on the debit side of realization account, Tanu's capital account will be written to Tanu's capital account. To Tanu's capital account. Capital account 50,000. All these things on the debit side will be written with 2, on the credit side 1. Now, next, he took away the debtors also. If a partner takes assets, then his account will be debited. So reverse entry will be Tanu's capital account debit to realization account. For the debtors, entry will be Tanu's capital account will be debited. Tanu's capital account debit to realization. This will be the general entry. So he is taking the sundry debtors. Sundry debtors is of 55,000. Since here realization account is being credited, 55,000 debtors is taking. So for 55,000, Tanu's capital account will be debited. So this is realization account is being credited. From the credit side of realization account, we will be writing by Tanu's capital account. By Tanu's capital account. Tanu's capital account will be 5,000. Now, next is sundry creditor accept stock and paid rupees 10,000. As we know, whenever the creditors takes any asset, so no entry is passed. Whenever creditors, here the creditors are taking stock. Whenever creditors takes any asset, no entry is passed. But if the creditor has taken asset of more value and if the creditor is paying something to the firm, then at that time entry will be passed. Entry will be passed for the amount which is being paid by the creditor. Here we are realizing 10,000 from the creditor. So cash account, you can see the bank account will be debited. Actually, bank account debit to realization account. Entry will be passed for 10,000 which is being received from the creditor, because the creditor are taking stock of more value, so they are paying to the firm also. For the payment only, the amount which the creditors are paying, that only will be passed. So bank account is debited and realization is credited. So since realization is being credited, so on the credit side of realization account we will be writing by bank. Amount is 10,000. Now next is machine is taken over by Manu for rupees 40,000 and agreed to pay the bills payable at a discount of 5%. Manu is taking the machine. Again, the partner is taking an asset. Whenever partner takes an asset, his account is debited. Just like Tanu, who has taken the debtors, at that time we have debited his account. Similarly, in case of this Manu also, if he is taking machine, then his capital account will be debited with the amount for over. The machine is taken by Manu for 40,000. So 40,000 Manu's account will be debited. 40,000. So here again the realization account will be created. So on the credits of realization account we will be writing by Manu's capital account. By Manu's capital account. 40,000. Now, and agreed to pay the bills payable at a discount of 5%. Here again the bills payable is a liability. Since the partner is agreeing to pay the liabilities, that is the liabilities. So in case the partner pays the liability or takes over a liability, this account is, he will be given credit for the amount of the liability which he is paying. For example, here the liability he is paying is Manu paying the bills payable at a discount of 5%. So 5% he will be paying 5% discount. Total liability of this. Here again see Manu is taking the liability of that is bills payable of 32,000, but he is paying this at a discount of 5%, that is 1,600. Means he is paying 30,400. So since the partner is taking a liability of rupees 30,400, so he will be given a credit, and if a partner takes a liability, his account will be credited. Means realization account will be debited and partner's capital account will be credited for the amount of the liability which he is undertaken to pay. So 30,400 Tanu's capital account will be credited and realization will be debited. So on the debit side of realization account, we will be writing to Tanu's capital account for the amount of the liability. To Tanu's capital account 30,400. Next is motor car was taken over by Tanu for 60,000. Again the partner is taking an asset. If a partner takes an asset, his capital account will be debited. Means here the partner is, that is motor car is taken over by Tanu. Since Tanu is taking the motor car, so Tanu's capital account will be debited with the amount of the motor car, that is he is taking the motor car at rupees 60,000. So entry for this will be Tanu's capital account debit to realization account 60,000. So here realization account will be created. So on the credit side of realization account we will be writing by Tanu's capital account 60,000. By Tanu's capital account 60,000 for the motor car which he has taken over. Investment realized 72,000. Again, whenever real estate is sold and some money is realized, bank account will be debited and realization credited. So investment is realized, it's 26,000 and fixed at 4,000. Total 80,000 is being realized on account of sale. So 80,000 will be transferred to realization account, that is on the credit side of realization account. The amount will be transferred. So entry will be realized, bank account debit to realization account 80,000. So credit side of realization account will be writing by bank. By bank. It is preferable whenever we are writing by bank, it is preferable to write the amount of the assets, to write the assets which have been realized. For example, investment and then fixture. In short, we can write here 76,000 plus 4,000, that is 80,000. In this way also it should be written also. Moreover, there is expense on realization. If some amount is being paid by the firm, when expenses are paid, it is the expense for the fund, so realization account will be debited. For all expenses and losses, it is debited. Means realization account is the nominal account, and rule for nominal account is debit all expenses and losses. Since this is the expense for the fund, realization account will be debited with 2,200 and bank account will be paid. So on the debit side of realization, we will be writing to bank for the realization expenses. To bank 2,200. Again in the bracket you can write realization expenses also, in short it can be written. Now if nothing is mentioned regarding any liability, one thing is to be noted in here, if nothing is mentioned regarding any liability, then it is assumed that the liability is paid in full. It is assumed that the liability is paid in full. But here no liability is left, you can say, because Sunday creditor has been taken over by one of the partner. Again, bank, this payable is also taken over, bank loan is also being paid, every liability is being paid. So nothing is regarding liability. As regard assets, if nothing is mentioned regarding realization of any asset, then it is assumed that asset has not realized anything. So we do not, all the transaction in the realization account is complete. We will be finding out the profit or loss on realization, and thereafter the profit or loss will be transferred to the partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio. Let us calculate the profit or loss on realization first of all. First of all, let us total of this side. The credit side is 62 plus 32, that is 94,000. 94,000, then 50 plus 55, 1,05,000. Then 10 plus 40 and 60, 18. 1 lakh and 1,90,000. 1,90,000. 0 0 0 9 8 1 3 389. This is the credit side total. That is the credit balance. Debit balance is 80. 1,30,000. 90 plus 45. 1,35,000. Then 70 plus 9, 79,000. Then 50 plus 30, 80,000, 82,600. 82,600. 006 79. The debit side is 4,22,000, 4,26,600. 4,26,600 means there is a loss. 3,39,000 is the credit side. 0 0 there is 6, then 7. 37,600 is the loss. 37,600 is the loss for the fund because the debit side was moved. This loss will be transferred in the partners in their profit sharing ratio, and the profit sharing ratio is 5:3. So 37,500, 37,600 will be divided in the ratio of 5:3. That is 8 parts will be. There should be 8 parts should be there. 8 4 32. 56, 8 7 56. 47,000 it comes to 4,747 into 5. 0 0 7 5 3 20 plus 2 23. This will be for Tanu. Then 4700 into 3. 13,100. 13,100. So partners are Tanu and Manu. So Tanu's capital account. So the loss on realization will be transferred to partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio by Tanu's capital account. By Tanu's capital account by Manu's capital account. Capital account. The total of the debit side was 4,26,000. 4,26,600, and debit for Tanu will be 23,500. 23,500, and for Manu it will be 14,100. 14,100. Total also again 4,26,600. This is the realization account. Next we will be preparing here the partners capital account. The partners capital account. Particulars, credit, debit, partners capital account. Now the balance brought down for the partner are 1,10,000 and 90,000 by balance brought down 1,10,000 and 90,000. 10,000 and 90,000. Now, the balance of the reserve fund will also be transferred to the partners' capital account in their profit sharing ratio. That is by reserve fund. By reserve fund. The balance of reserve fund is 16,000. 5 into 3, 5 and 3 ratio, it will come to 10,000 and 16,000. 10,000 and 6,000 it will come to. Again, the loss on realization will also be transferred to the partner's capital account. Now, we have to keep in mind that whatever journal entry or whatever transaction has been written in the realization account with related to the partner will also be transferred to the partner's capital account, means to the respective partner's capital account. First of all, let us see what are the various transactions here. Tanu's capital account is credited. So, on the credit side, Tanu's capital account will be written by realization. By realization account. By realization. This is 50,000. 50,000. In short, we should be writing in the bracket that why this 50,000 is there. This 50,000 was on account of the bank loan which he has taken to pay. That is bank loan. Bank loan which he has agreed to pay. Now, again, the partner's capital account, Tanu's capital account has also been credited on account of the bills payable which he has undertaken to pay. The bills payable, now this bills payable was agreed by and agreed to pay Manu for pay and agreed to pay. Manu has agreed to pay the bills payable, so Manu's capital account will be credited here by Manu's capital account. Tanu has not 30,400. So Manu's capital account will be created. Here why we will be writing by realization, because this amount is being transferred from realization account. 30,400. Bills payable. BP in short. Again. Now last is to bank. This bank, this is partner's capital account. Nothing is there in the credit side. Debit side of the realization account, not on the credit side. Let us see. bills payable Tanu. Again, Tanu's capital account is debited with rupees 55,000 because he has undertaken, that is, he has taken the debtors also. So Tanu's capital account will be debited on account of the debtors we have taken to realization account. To realization account 55,000 on account of debtors. That is, in short, we will writing the bracket, that is debtors he has undertaken. He has taken over the debtors. Again, Manu's capital account is also debited. It will be debited because he has taken over the machine to Manu's capital, to realization account. To realization account, that is machine he has taken. Machine 40,000. Again, Manu's 40,000, then Tanu's capital account will again be debited for the, you can say, motor car he has taken. Motor car was taken over at Tanu 60,000. Again, to realization. To realization motor car. And this was taken over by Tanu for 60,000. Tanu's capital account will be debited with rupees 60,000. Then again, Tanu's capital account. And lastly, nothing is left. And the balance, that is the loss on realization, will also be, for the loss on realization, the partner's capital account will again be debited to realization account. To realization account. In bracket you can say loss. Loss on realization. Loss on realization. The amount is 23,500 and 14,100. Now, the balancing of the partner's capital account will be done. Now, let us see the credit side of the partner's capital account. Total of Manu is 90 plus 96,000 plus 30,400. 0046 1,26,000. This is the credit side of Manu's capital account. Debit side is come to 54,100. 54,100. 003 2. Balance is 72,300. This is the 72,300. This will be paid to the partner, that is to bank account. The credit side is more, that is, it is 1,26,400. This is the credit balance, and 54,100 was the credit, that is the debit balance. So the balance left in the Manu's capital account is 72,300, which will be paid to the partner at the time of dissolution. Now next, come to Tanu's capital account. Let us see the credit balance is 1,10,000 plus 10, 120 plus 50, 1,70,000. 1,70,000. Now the debit side is 55,000 plus 60. That is 60, 1,15,000 and 23,500. 23,500, that is the loss on realization. Total will be 1,38,500. Now the debit total is, the credit side is 1,70,000, debit side is 1,38,500, and the balance will be paid to the partner. It will come to 31,500. 31,500. Both the partner will be paid this much amount, and their account balance will get total. It is 1,70,000 and 1,26,400. Now one more account is left, that is the bank account. Lastly, we have to see here. Now, in order to prepare the bank account, what we have to keep in mind is to see all the bank transactions in the realization account as well as the partner's capital account will be posted in the bank account, and simply the bank account will automatically tally. If the bank account tallies, then it means then our account is correct. Now the balance of bank account is 16,000. Since bank is an asset, so balance brought down will be written in the debit side, that is 16,000. And nothing more is given. Now see, on the debit side of realization account, lastly only one payment is being made, that is the payment is with regard to realization. So while on the credit side of the realization account, bank account will be writing by realization, that is 2200. Now on the credit side, there is no bank account is there. Yes, there is sale, that is 10,000 is being realized on account of the debtors. From the debtors 10,000 is realized. Since this is being realized, so we will be writing to realization 10,000 on the debit side. To realization 10,000. Again, yes, investment and fixture is being sold for 80,000. Again, this balance will be realized. Entry will be realization bank account debit to realization. On the debit side of bank account, we will be writing to realization 80,000. Lastly, the partner's capital account. The partner is being paid. Both the partners are being paid 31,500 and 72,300. These are being the partner is being paid by Tanu's capital. Tanu's capital 31,500 by Manu's capital 72,300. Now on the credit side of realization account, that is partner's capital account, there is no bank account is there. So now the balance of the bank account should tally, and we have to find out, let us see the balance of the bank account. Last week 1,66,000 and 22,300, 31,500, 22,000. Now see, the balance of the bank account is 1,06,000 on both the side, and if the balance of the bank account tallies, we can see that our solution is also correct. And now this is the end of the question number 20 also, and as well as the end of the chapter also. And next we will be starting a new chapter, that is share capital, in the next part of the, that is the next book, next volume we will be starting on the next video.